Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel Underrated Investor. Today, we're diving into the world of LinkedIn and discussing how you can make valuable connections with professionals. LinkedIn is a powerful platform that can open doors to new opportunities, partnerships, and collaborations. So, let's get started with our tips on how to make connections on LinkedIn. Step 1. Optimize your LinkedIn profile. Your profile is your digital representation on the platform, so make sure it stands out. Start by using a professional profile picture and crafting a compelling headline that highlights your expertise or current position. Step 2. Personalize your connection requests. When sending a connection request, avoid using the generic message provided by LinkedIn. Instead, take a moment to personalize your message by mentioning why you want to connect or how you came across their profile. Personalization goes a long way in making a genuine connection. Step 3. Engage with relevant content. LinkedIn is not just a static platform, it's a social network. Engage with posts, articles, and videos that align with your interests and industry. Leave thoughtful comments, share valuable insights, and build relationships with other professionals in your field. Step 4. Join LinkedIn groups. Groups are fantastic opportunities to connect with like-minded professionals and participate in industry-related discussions. Find relevant groups, introduce yourself, and actively engage with other group members. It's a great way to expand your network and showcase your expertise. Step 5. Attend LinkedIn events and webinars. LinkedIn hosts various virtual events and webinars covering a wide range of topics. Participating in these events allows you to learn from industry experts, connect with attendees, and engage in meaningful conversations. Take advantage of these opportunities to expand your network. Step 6. Offer value to others. Networking is not just about what you can gain, it's also about what you can offer. Share your knowledge and expertise by creating and publishing content on LinkedIn. Write articles, share industry insights, or create engaging videos. By providing value, you attract professionals who resonate with your content and want to connect. And that wraps up our tips on how to make connections with professionals on LinkedIn. Remember, it's all about building meaningful relationships and providing value to others. So, optimize your profile, personalize your connection requests, engage with content, join groups, attend events, and offer value through your own content creation. We hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. And as always, feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.